Hi, so since I have nothing better to do, I have decided that I am going to mess up my hair with red food dye. What you are seeing in my hand right now is the same bottle of food dye that I used to dye a weird little strip of my hair red back in high school in like 2013. I'll insert a picture of that now. It has been sitting in my cabinet back there for the last 7 years, and now is the time to use it again. And I'm not going to be bleaching my hair because I don't want to use up bleach, so I'm just going to be dyeing these chunks of my hair that I cut out and see how it affects them, and then if it's good, I'll do all of it. I'm just going to put the food coloring in this bucket, which as you can tell was last used for blue hair, except it's all green and swampy and boggy now. Not gonna need too much to begin with anyways. And there we have it. All I did was just, rub it in there. Now, I didn't dilute it with anything because I saw some videos where people did that and I didn't really like how it turned out, so I'm just going to be using the straight up food dye, and I think that's also what I did back in 2013. I really don't think that I diluted it. I'm pretty sure I just slapped it on there and it turned out alright, although my hair was... I did have like a strip that was bleached that I put it on before. We'll see how it turns out. Oh, and I don't know how long I'm going to leave it in, probably maybe like 30 minutes to 45 minutes. I haven't really thought about it, but I'm sure 30 to 45 minutes is enough. I accidentally left it in for like 2 hours, but here they are wet. I'm gonna dry them out now. They look kind of purple, and I like that. Alright, I think that looks quite nice, so I'm going to actually do this. Hi, so I'm only going to be doing the underside of my hair because there's not a whole lot of this left, probably only maybe like a third of it. So I think my plan for this is to just dump some of this in there and then dip my hair into it, and then if that doesn't work I will come up with something else. This will probably make that easier. I also just wanted to say it's a good idea to put this everywhere before you do any kind of hair dyeing, that way the dye doesn't stick to your skin and look awful. But anyways, here we go. And now I wait. Alright, next day, and here's the finished product. Not too bad, not too bad.